Hello friends. Today I am going to teach you a very important topic of SharePoint Server 2019. Installation and customization focused on new user creation and files management. I will show you every step to create a new user in SharePoint Server. Please watch full video along with like and subscribe my channel to get regular updates on SharePoint Server. Now I am going to show you what is SharePoint Server. Organizations use Microsoft SharePoint to create websites. Can use it as a secure place to store, organize, share and access information from any device. Internet-based online documents management system. Team collaboration. Now we will show you about the user management in SharePoint Server. As SharePoint mainly uses Active Directory for its credentials management, so SharePoint Server is not a normal website which can use any database for authentication. To create user, first create user in Active Directory, then register that user in SharePoint Server. Now I am showing you every steps how to create new user in SharePoint Server. First step is to log in the server on remote desktop application. After login to server, open Windows, start new. In your Start menu, scroll down Programs to Windows Administrative Tools, then click on to open Active Directory Users and Computers. In your left panel, select your domain and then click on Users to show all users in domain. Now right-click, then click on New, then User. It will open window to enter essential information for new Windows domain user creation. Please enter your first name, last name, full name, then user logon name. After fill all required user information, please click on Next. Once username entered and final, you cannot edit username in any future. Please, after finalization of username, click on Next for next window to create password and other parameters. Now in this window you have to create a strong password by using capital letters, special letters and numbers. After one-time password creation, you have to repeat it for confirmation of password. 4 options are available to manage password. You can select or deselect any optio according to your requirements. After finalization of all requirements, you have to click on Next button. After this, click on Finalize to create new user finally. Now your Windows Active Directory new user created successfully. You can check newly created user properties to verify in your satisfaction. Check member of configuration for domain name. If found everything is OK, then click OK and your new user is ready to use. To integrate newly created Active Directory user, now please open SharePoint Central Configuration. Currently we have pointed it on admin.lmbb.in domain. Now click Security on Dashboard. You will see all security related option here. Under section Users, you have to click on Specify Web Application Policy. Its list of users available in SharePoint. Click on Next to create new user. Now you have to find your Active Directory user to add in SharePoint. You can type it manually or can be find it in system. To find username, you can click down icon below the text box. By clicking this, it will show a window to search and add user. Now select Active Directory and type username to search. After typing username, please click on Search button. After search, your username displayed in list. Select your username, then click on Add button. Check your usernames and select Permission Policy Level for users. We have created policy for our advocates to manage their files. If your user is system account, then enable this option also. Hey! Congratulations, now your new user is ready to use the SharePoint server. User creation process has completed successfully. Now we come in the section for rights of users and how different users different roles. For example, we have defined adv policy for advocates of legal department of company. Under Adv policy we have added 3 users named Advocate 1, Advocate 2, Advocate 3. All advocates can only view approved files and create/edit their own files. After check-in a file, they will be available for administrator to view/edit. If administrator approve the file, then it will be available to all users only for view. Now we will see the live demonstration of the different users' different views. First, login with username Advocate1. Now the page is showing folders and files pertaining to himself and only approved files. Total 3 files found uploaded by Advocate1. 2 files are checked in and 1 file is checkout. Check-in means available for approver and checkout means only available for himself. Now I am showing how you can check in or check out a document. If document is already checked in, then only checkout option is available, otherwise check-in will be available. Out of 3, only green icon file is having check-in option available. First fill your comments, then only you check in the document. Now all documents of Advocate1 is available for approval to administrator only, not for all users. Till now we have seen that Advocate1 has uploaded 3 files and make available by check-in to administrator for approval. Now check by login with administrator account. Advocate1 folders is visible for administrator. Now we are seeing that all 3 files of Advocate1 is available for administrator. Now it's the step where site administrator will approve or reject the file. If file approved, then it will be available for all users of SharePoint server, otherwise if rejects it will automatically checked out and returned to creator back for rectification. Process of approval is same as check-in. You have to fill your comments and choose option in approve or reject. After approval, now this file is available for all users to view only. Now after user Advocate1 we will check files of Advocate2. As currently we are in account of administrator, we have found only 1 file uploaded and check-in by Advocate2. Now we have showed you that how administrator can view all users' check-in documents. Advocate1 can only view or edit his own files. Not able to view Advocate2 files. Now login with Advocate2 credentials to check his available files. Till now we have shown you only 1 check-in document of Advocate2. Only 1 folder is visible for Advocate2. Other folders are not available for Advocate2. Let's check files of this folder. It is having total 3 files, but only 1 document has check-in while other 2 are not available for administrator, means not check-in. Here green icon is showing files which are not check-in. So you have seen different users, different roles in SharePoint server.